If you observe human life, you found one point that is common for everyone. No one lives in this world permanently. History tells us many religions and cultures and civilizations were born, created their followers and died after a certain time. But every religion tells us there is something very powerful that exists. Someone call them God, nature or power. This power may be constructive or destructive. It depends on how it affects your life. Power is playing a positive as well as a negative role in everyone's life. But the question comes in mind, what is this power or who created this power? Everyone comes to this world for a specific goal. Later you born, according to the situation you plan your goal, but before you are born, who assigned you a goal? The answer is the power. A story of a journey everyone should go on, learn here in the world and submit their project to the power. Think you are fascinated with some country or culture because of the knowledge you gain from certain sources around you. If you visit some villages or cities in some countries, they have different languages, accents, rituals and written skills. Think about the whole world. You will get different things and different behaviors of people in a different situation. Every life on this earth was born for a specific reason and will come to earth for their reason. Think every life is student of a university whose headmaster is a power. Then it's a journey of you as a student who will visit the places around the globe, doing some activities on earth for a certain project assigned to you by your. If you succeed or fail in your project, you are promoted to the next level according to the score you secured each day of your life. In today's world, many people are working for a certain research institution to collect information about some countries and to observe the behavior of people in those countries to certain planning of creation and predict the launch of a new product or a legal or illegal activity. Consider data science. It's a research of a huge collection of information about the data by using some tools having some statistical operations and techniques to predict the future trends about the expected outcome. Here you can analyze the behavior trends for a goal I mentioned before. Every life in the world has a specific life cycle that contains some stages as follows. The power assigns you a goal with some important information. The first step is allocate an environment suitable to born a new life. The second step, wait for life to be born. Third step, the born. Fourth step, experiments to the gain knowledge. Fifth step, learn from get knowledge, then collect specific data to develop the behavior and events and apply all this collected knowledge. And after all, you are the end of the life. The person die after a certain time and finally propose his project to the power. Depending on the score you getting promoted on a level the life deserves. Stages are not easy. Before a child is born, he starts to learn from his parents, the people around them and the environment inside the mothers of the child. Thinking about human life, a child fights the bad bacteria inside his mother's stomach and diseases. Some win and are born successfully. Some died and will come into another suitable environment. Children learn each day. They cry after they are born to take the attention of everyone and announce they won a fight and arrive to win. But each day they collected information from the environment around them. The behavior developed from here. When he finds positivity around him, they are happy. The development each day he memorizes activities and behavior of these surroundings till the end of his last day of life. This results in each day according to the certain conditions every human animal plan live life. It's a life cycle. A child is born, grow up studying academics and learn from sources. He attracted others at different stages in life, creating their life goals. Some marry and give birth of child and grow them. The opportunity you selected in your life gives you a direction. At a certain age, after an endless hunger to live on this earth with the amenities as assets will not give you the peace, love and harmony permanent in this world. Every traveler in this life journey has come to visit the earth and will live this journey someday. You found nothing come with you after you die. The luxury you live with and the money you collected remains here. But it can help your children and family members to live their life better after you die. What you collected from the earth is the project report and it will give to the power. So what can a traveler do on earth? He is the champion of the fight inside a mother's stomach. So the journey starts from fighting for what? For winning, for happiness, for peace and harmony. What makes you happy? Love, taking care of your good relations, respecting everyone, loving your children and becoming good parent for the new life you give birth to. Collecting luxury or money is not bad. Earth is made to attract you to luxury. To purchase luxury you need money. No problem, you can earn ethically and purchase luxury as you required. See, experiment is a part of life's journey, so do it. Some days you discover it's not constantly offering you peace and harmony. Given your good input to others' life who are also a traveler just like you in this life's journey, added a positive score to your project report. Don't bother about your loved one dying, accept the reality. One day you will also be in the same place, but before you can do much more for your family, society and the world. Help them to discover their peace and harmony.